The one that falls out and the one that dies.